What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tyso here, and we're back with another video. Just the other day I got a package in the mail. Yeah, man, it's mod day. Adding a little mod to the car, man. I'm excited to do it. I had to open the box because I wasn't sure if this was what it was, because I looked at the tracker on Amazon and it said that it was still shipping, but I got an email saying that it was here, so I was confused. So I had to open it up to make sure what it was. But yeah, man, this is it. Got the new gloss black mirror covers, man. We're gonna install it. Let me take that out. Let me take it out the little wrap for y'all so you see what it look like. Yeah, man, that looks clean, man. Look at that. Got it off Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description for anyone that wants to buy this. This looks very clean, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm about to set up the camera maybe on like the glass right here to see if I could angle it towards there, the mirror, to show you guys how I put it on. Also, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the video. I really appreciate it. It really helps out a lot. And hearing you guys' feedback is very helpful. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, man, let's get into it, man. Put that right there. Here's what I need. I got this plastic thing from Amazon. Well, from AutoZone. It came in a pack, like 10 bucks. Gonna use it to pry this, take it off. So I got it off. Gotta be. I didn't break anything. Thought I was gonna break something, but I didn't. Everything looks fine. Gotta be a little forceful with this thing, man. It's a little tricky. Got it off. Excuse my hands, guys. It's a little windy out here. Alright, we're gonna put the new one on. See how that goes. Finally got one side on, bro. Alright, so I finally got it off. Oh my god, it took me a while. I'm not gonna lie. Just look at that. Ooh, look at the difference. That's with the OEM one on. Just look at the difference. It looks so much more aggressive. Alright, so now I'm gonna set the camera up on this side and do this side next.
2 hours later.
Alright, finally got it on. Yeah, it looks much better. Looks much better. Yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm heading over to the car wash to get this thing washed. Get the fingerprints off the mirror and give you guys a better view on how the mirrors look on the car. So yeah, catch you guys there. Alright, we made it to the car wash. I'm gonna set you guys up. These things washed, man. Look how dirty the rims are, man. Yeah, nah, the car is filthy. I'm gonna set y'all up. We're gonna get this thing going, man. We're gonna get it going. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Installed the new mirror caps. I really liked them. And I suggest anybody that has the same car to get it. It really makes the car pop out, makes a more aggressive stance, more aggressive look. And yeah guys, that's it. That's it for this one. And catch you on the next one.